Top 15 Mysterious Evidences that Aliens Exist. Could it be possible that we're not alone in this vast universe? For centuries, mysterious sightings, strange phenomena, and perplexing evidence have fueled one of humanity's biggest questions. Are aliens real? In this video, we're counting down the top 15 mysterious evidences that aliens exist. From unexplained UFO encounters to ancient artifacts that defy logic, you'll get to explore the eerie clues that challenge what we think we know. So, fasten your seatbelt and prepare for a suspenseful journey into the unknown. Our mysterious journey begins with one of the most iconic events in UFO history, the Roswell incident. In 1947, a strange object crashed in Roswell, New Mexico, sparking a media frenzy. The U.S. military claimed it was a weather balloon, but skeptics and conspiracy theorists have argued ever since. Witnesses reported unusual materials and even alien bodies at the crash site. Could Roswell be the birthplace of UFO skepticism or proof of a historic cover-up? Fast forward to modern times. In 2017, the Pentagon released footage of unidentified aerial phenomena, UAPs, captured by military pilots. These flying objects defied all known laws of physics. No visible propulsion systems, sharp turns at impossible speeds, and movements unlike anything man-made. What makes this eerie is that it's no longer just conspiracy theorists talking. It's the U.S. government admitting they don't know what these objects are. Commander David Fravor, a U.S. Navy pilot, recounted a surreal encounter with a tic-tac-shaped craft in 2004. Fravor described the object as moving in ways no human technology could replicate, disappearing in an instant. Watching credible military personnel stunned by such technology leaves us with one question. If we didn't build these, who did? Continuing on the theme of high-tech UFOs, the tic-tac UFO encounter is one of the most famous. In the released footage, a small white object hovers before launching at inexplicable speeds. Despite advanced jets tracking it, the UFO vanished without a trace. Could this be evidence of extraterrestrial surveillance? Now let's look beyond Earth. In 2017, astronomers observed a peculiar cigar-shaped object flying through our solar system. Named Oumuamua, it was unlike any asteroid or comet ever seen. What's more chilling? Its sudden acceleration as it exited our system, an apparent propulsion scientists can't explain. Could Oumuamua have been an alien probe passing through? In 1977, at the Ohio State University Radio Observatory, a researcher detected a strange signal, the famous "wow" signal. Its origin? Unknown. The transmission was strong and came from a specific region in space. Was it just a cosmic anomaly? Or could it have been an intentional transmission from intelligent life trying to say hello? Astronomers have discovered planets orbiting stars outside our solar system, known as exoplanets. Some, located in the Goldilocks zone, have conditions perfect for liquid water and possibly life. One such planet, Proxima b, orbits a star only 4.2 light-years away. Are alien civilizations thriving in these distant worlds? Closer to home, let's examine crop circles, vast, intricate patterns that appear overnight in fields. While skeptics attribute them to human pranksters, some formations are so complex and precise that they defy explanation. Could these patterns be messages from above or markers left behind by visitors? In Peru, massive ancient geoglyphs stretch across the desert plateau, depicting shapes visible only from above. Known as the Nazca lines, their creation remains a mystery. Why would ancient cultures design something they couldn't see? Were they trying to attract the attention of beings from the sky? Some structures on Earth are so advanced for the time they were built, they baffle archaeologists. The Great Pyramids of Giza, for example, feature precise engineering that would challenge modern technology. Similarly, the ancient structures of Pumapunku in Bolivia are composed of intricately carved stones that fit together seamlessly. Could ancient civilizations have been guided by visitors from the stars? Ancient cultures often reference sky beings, or gods, who traveled in fiery chariots. The Sumerians, for instance, describe the Anunnaki descending from above. Similarly, the Indian texts of the Mahabharata mention flying machines called vimanas. Are these simply myths, or could they be historical accounts of alien encounters? Prehistoric cave art in places like Australia and Africa depicts strange figures with helmets and elongated heads. One image eerily resembles a human in a spacesuit. Were ancient humans merely imagining these figures, or did they witness visitors from another world? How did ancient civilizations achieve such advanced knowledge of astronomy, mathematics, and architecture? For example, the Mayans accurately predicted astronomical events, and yet their tools were primitive. Did they possess technology or ideas imparted from a more advanced civilization? For many, the most terrifying evidence comes directly from people who claim to have met extraterrestrials. Abduction stories often describe similar beings: small, large-headed creatures conducting experiments on humans. While skeptics chalk this up to imagination or sleep paralysis, the consistency of these reports is chilling. Could these experiences mean aliens are closer than we think? No list of mysterious alien evidence would be complete without mentioning Area 51. Long shrouded in secrecy, this U.S. military base is rumored to house alien spacecraft and technology. Over the years, whistleblowers have claimed that alien remains from crashes like the one at Roswell are kept there. Is this a top-secret research center for extraterrestrial technology? Some individuals claim to have had small, unidentifiable objects, known as alien implants, surgically removed. These objects are said to exhibit unique properties, such as emitting radio frequencies or being composed of unknown alloys. Could such implants be evidence of extraterrestrial experimentation? In 1997, thousands of people across Arizona witnessed a strange sequence of lights hovering in formation over Phoenix. The event, now known as the Phoenix Lights, baffled witnesses and lacked any official explanation. Even then, Governor Fife Symington admitted witnessing the phenomenon and described it as otherworldly. Farmers worldwide have reported strange cases of cattle mutilations, the animals found lifeless with precise surgical cuts and no trace of predators. These incidents often occur after UFO sightings, leaving many to speculate that aliens are behind the bizarre experiments. In rare instances, researchers examining certain meteorites found molecules linked to life, such as amino acids. Could these meteors have originated from planets that harbored extraterrestrial life? Are tiny fragments of alien biology arriving on Earth? From Belgium's UFO flap in the late 1980s to Brazil's mysterious Varginha incident in 1996, UFO sightings are a global phenomenon. Pilots, police officers, and ordinary citizens alike have shared experiences of strange flying crafts. Could these reports shine a spotlight on global alien activity? The search for extraterrestrial intelligence, SETI, has been actively monitoring space for signals from intelligent civilizations. While no definitive messages have been confirmed, scientists have encountered unusual patterns occasionally. Are alien civilizations communicating in ways we've yet to comprehend? If UFO sightings and alien theories are nonsense, why are so many governments keeping their investigations classified? From secretive files in the US to Russia's declassified UFO programs, governments seem far more interested in the unknown than they let on. Of course, many argue that UFO sightings are just misidentified planes, drones, or natural phenomena. Skeptics often dismiss these events as hoaxes or psychological phenomena. While skepticism is healthy, can it always explain stories shared by credible, experienced witnesses? As we wrap up, consider the testimony from astronauts, military officials, and scientists. Apollo astronaut Edgar Mitchell once said, "We are being visited." With credible voices coming forward, even lifelong skeptics might pause to re-examine their beliefs. What is it about UFOs and aliens that captivate us? Is it curiosity, hope, or fear? The allure of extraterrestrial life connects people worldwide, making us question not just what's out there, but our place in the universe. So, after exploring 15 pieces of intriguing evidence, it's up to you to decide. Are these mere coincidences, creative hoaxes, or something more? The mysteries persist, but one thing is clear: the universe is vast, and the unknown keeps calling. If you enjoyed this exploration of the unexplained, make sure to subscribe for more deep dives into the extraordinary. And who knows? Maybe someday we'll get the answers we're all looking for. Until then, stay curious.